Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Sunday. Happy Easter. Well, today, as you can see, we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bag. Comes in one of these lovely bubble envelopes. I love that. It protects everything. Not only the kits, but when you get different kinds of crafts from these stores, it's awesome. I'm glad they've started to use this. All right, whoops. That one was so light, I didn't get it out of there. All right, we have 3 stamped cross-stitch kits, and these come today from Fansells. Let me put my scissors away. And if Fansells has any discount codes or coupons or anything special, or if I have any discount codes, they'll be right in here. All right, let's just start with the top one since it was the lightweightest. No. It was the one that was the most light. Very, very light. Now this one is a 21 by 21. 14 count, if I can get hold of it. It just does not want to be reviewed, I'm telling you. All right, let me flip it over. Isn't that cute? I just love this. I may save this for next weekend. Yeah, I just thought it was cute and simple and easy. Lots of back stitching in it. But yeah, I love the colors. Everything about it. It was just cute and whimsical. All right, it does have a 1-page pattern. The rest of the bottom is right here. And we have 2 sets of numbers. Top set goes to the paper canvas, bottom, the paper copy, and the bottom goes to the canvas. We have full stitch, French knot, and back stitch. We have a total of 33 colors. We have 310 black. No 823, no 939. One I've never seen before is 3031. Not sure what that is. We do have the pewter color here of 3799, and we have B5200. And you have 3 colors in back stitch, 1 in French knot, so not too complicated here. Let's take a look at the thread cards. We do have 2 of them. They come with 2 needles. It comes on the good thread card. We have our whites and our tans, kind of a pale yellow. Let me just pull that. It does have the product number that was on the front paper right here, and it does say 1 of 2 cards. But look at all the happy colors. Yellow, pink. Looks like Easter eggs, doesn't it? Bright pinks, purples, and black, and blues. Just Easter egg colors. Just gorgeous. Perfect for today, right? Oh, just wait. So yeah, lovely, lovely colors. And here is the big pattern. And it has not been wet. It is perfect. And it's square. It is serged all the way around. It is 20.5 centimeters that way and 21.5 this way. Actual picture size is 6 3/4 inches or 17 centimeters by almost 16 centimeters or 6.5 inches. But very well printed. I'm thrilled sick that it's not wet or has not been wet. And I did want to mention that Fansells did send me my extra canvas of the, what is it called? Longevity. The one with the cranes. So I did get that. Thank you, Fansells, for following up on that. But yeah, very simple, very easy to stitch. Be a great spring stitch. But I think we're going to save this for next weekend because the theme this month is birds. All right, we're going to take the second one instead of the third one, only because you'll see here in a minute. Now this one is a 19 by 19. Oh, the last one was $2.90. This one was $3.54. 14 count Joy Sunday. I just love this. And it's another small. Very small. But I loved, look at the colors. Can you ever, and look at that sweet rabbit. It's called Easter Egg Bunny. And we are going to, hopefully, yep, let me look. Oh, yeah, we're going to start this today at 1. Be there. Yeah. 19 by 19 centimeters. But look at the pinks and the blues and the yellows and oranges. And that bunny is just precious. Oh, you could just hug it. It looks so real. All right, so we got a few colors in this. We have 62 full colors in this. We have 2 sets of numbers, top for the paper pattern, bottom for the canvas. It is 81 by 81. Let's see, we have 310 black, 321, which is Christmas red. No 498, no 550 purple. No 823, no 939. We have that 3799 again. Oh, we have 3371, which is a dark brown. And we have 3865 and B5200 in this. Now this has full stitch, 3/4 stitch, and half stitch. And we've got back stitch in 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16 colors of back stitch. Holy cow. So there's a little back stitch here. But yeah, beautiful. And the pattern's all on one page. So cool. Let's look at those Easter egg colors. Oh yeah. And it comes on 3 thread cards. Total of 62 colors. That's what I told you. Oh my goodness. 2 needles. Great thread cards. Beautiful purples, pinks, reds. There's that 321 red. Not too much 310 black. Look at the pinks. The turquoise, yellows, Easter egg extravaganza here. Easter egg extravaganza. More reds, tans, browns, off-white, pink. Look at that. Jelly bean purple. And the teals. Ugh. Can you ever? Yeah, today. Oh, and don't forget B5200 and 3328. I've never heard of it. It's a pretty color, though. Kind of a dark coral. Let me get that all wrapped up so nobody gets lost. Oh, my goodness. Let me flip it over. And it is very minute. You are going to have to use that paper pattern to see anything. All of it is like back and forth and this way for all the colors. So yeah, I'm glad they sent, you know, have an extra set of numbers for the canvas on that paper pattern. But very well done. There's going to be some confetti. But it doesn't look too bad. It looks more like rivers of color, and the back stitching is definitely going to make that picture. All right, 19.5 centimeters by 19.5 centimeters. Actual picture approximately is almost 6 inches or 15 centimeters by almost 6 inches, 15 centimeters. So yeah, lovely. Just very lovely, very well printed, very easy to see symbols. But you're going to have to use that over there, because seeing it on the bottom ain't happening. All right, I saved the biggest one for last. Let me get it out. Oh, my goodness gracious me, oh my. Hang on. All right. This one is called Starry Castle 2. Is that not stunning? It is 62 by 71, 14 count, $18.35. But look at the blues and the oranges with that. Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness. I almost want to start that one today instead of the bunny rabbit, but we're going to do the rabbit. All right, 16 pages, or 16 parts. Not that there's 16 pages, but they have separated it out. Just never seen it done quite like this, but nice, very well printed. This looks like straight cross stitch, guys. I mean, it'll be a picnic after that. Yep. Straight cross stitch, 66 colors. 2 sets. This set goes to the canvas. This goes to the paper pattern. No back stitching, no French knots, no nothing. Just straight cross stitch. We have 310 black. No 550 purple. No, we have 823 and 939. No 3371. We have 770, which are our butter color. And there is no white. No 3865, nothing. No white. So they must be using paler shades of something. Like that 770 or 3770 number. Very nice. Big, huge. Oh my God, can you believe these blues? Oh my goodness. We're just going to move you out of the way. I'm so sorry. Excuse me, pardon me. Coming through. Yep, comes on 1, 2, 3 thread cards. Total of 66 colors. This is your extra 310 black. And it does have the number from the threads, as these are your extras. 2 needles, good thread cards. But we have blues, purples, blacks. Gorgeous, stunning, stunning colors. I cannot get over it. Look at that blue. Peacock blue. Peacock blue purple. Yep. Yum. And let me get the other one. It's stuck to my... I had my hoodie on again because, you know, we're doing the cold weather thing. But look at that turquoise. Oh my goodness gracious. And we have 995. That's what that one is. And... nope, not the other one. So beautiful, beautiful. Look at those. Oh, can you ever let us take a look at the canvas, if I can get a hold of it. It is serged. They are always serged from Joy Sunday. I'm going to move my Coke only because I am who I am, and stuff happens in my world all the time. Yeah, let's not spill it on the canvas. Canvas has not been wet. Very plain, very simple, easy to see. Big, huge areas. Trying not to knock anything over. There is the castle. Yeah, looks like plain stitching. Lots of beautiful colors involved. Nice, big, huge key. After that last one, you couldn't even see it. But straight cross stitch, 14 count. And it is not confettied at all. And I don't know that I can get this measured or not. We're going to try. We are going to try. All right. Looks like 72 centimeters or 28¼ inches by 62½ centimeters or a little over 24½ inches. Actual is 63 centimeters or a little over 24¼ inches. So very nice, very nice. And this way, little over 21 inches or 53½. So yeah, this should be this actually should be a winter one. You know what I mean? Because it's big areas. You could just sit down and just go for broke. Just absolutely very beautiful. Beautiful, beautifully printed. I can't get over it. Oh, yeah. Alright, guys. That is all I got from Fansells. They do have, if they have any discount codes or specials, it'll be in the beginning and in the description box below. They have stamped, cross-stitch, beaded, and silks. They also do embroidery. They have diamond painting. And I believe they have paint by number. They also have puzzles, paper quilling. So they've always got something for everyone. Great customer service. Great prices. Great selection. Do check them out. Thank you, Fansells, for these 3 gorgeous kits. I'm in love with every one of them and want to start them all. Yeah, that's how that works. Alright, guys. Thanks for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.